RJD President Lalu Prasad's remark calling for reservation benefits to Muslims has led to a political storm, with the BJP, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, going all out against the former Bihar Chief Minister. Lalu Prasad said he was in favor of extending reservation benefits to Muslims and alleged that the BJP ruling in the centre wanted to do away with reservations by scrapping the constitution. Prime Minister Modi, hitting out at the former Bihar Chief Minister, said INDIA bloc leader has revealed the Congress and its allies' intention to transfer the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes quota to the largest minority community in the country. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge today wrote a letter to leaders of the INDIA bloc alleging discrepancies in the voting data released by Election Commission for the first and second phases of the Lok Sabha polls. He urged the leaders of the opposition party to raise their voice against such discrepancies to protect democracy and the constitution of the country. My letter to the leaders of INDIA parties regarding the discrepancies in the voting data released by ECI and non-publishing of registered voters, the Congress chief wrote on X. Over 50.71% voter turnout was recorded till 3 p.m. today, 7th of May, during the third phase of polling in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, NCP leader Ajit Pawar, NCP-SP leaders Sharad Pawar and Supriya Sule, and Samajwadi Party leaders Akhilesh and Dimple Yadav are among the prominent politicians who have voted so far today. Polling in 93 constituencies across 11 states and union territories is being held in the third phase, with a total of 1,351 candidates in the fray. Incidents of violence continue to haunt West Bengal in the Lok Sabha poll Phase 3 voting. Polling booths in Murshidabad, Lochanpur and Jangipur saw clashes involving three of the major parties of the state, CPIM, TMC and BJP. The first two phases in Bengal also saw violence in Bengal. In Lochanpur, the CPIM's Murshidabad candidate Mohammad Salim alleged that a fake agent of CPIM had been installed at the polling booth after the real representative of the party was trashed and forced to flee. A root bomb was allegedly heard at the Congress leader's house in Murshidabad, Hariharpara, in the Berhampur subdivision. The Congress alleged the TMC's hand in the incident. In the other incident, a TMC booth president clashed with BJP candidate Dhananjay Ghosh at a polling booth in Murshidabad's Jangipur. Delhi court today extended the judicial custody of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in a money laundering case related to the alleged Delhi excise scam till May 20th. Special Judge for the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate Kaveri Baveja extended Mr. Kejriwal's custody till May 20th after the Aam Aadmi Party AAP leader was produced before the court through a video conference on the expiry of his custody granted earlier. Russian President Vladimir Putin was sworn in for a fifth presidential term in an inauguration ceremony held in the capital Moscow today. The ceremony that took place in the Kremlin marks the start of another 6 years in office for Putin, who won 87.28% of the vote during the presidential election held in the month of March this year. Vladimir Putin, who took office as President of Russia for the fifth time today, said that Moscow remains open to strengthening good relations with all countries that see it as a reliable and honest partner. Indian senior men's team head coach Igor Stimac today announced his second list of 15 probables for the Bhubaneswar camp ahead of the FIFA World Cup 2026 preliminary joint qualification round 2 matches against Kuwait and Qatar. The first list of probables was announced on Saturday. The 26 players from the first list will begin training in the Odisha capital on May 10. The 15 players from the second list, comprising players from Mumbai City FC and Mohun Bagan SG, who contested the ISL Cup final, will join the camp on May 15. A total of 41 players will take part in the national camp.